Your brain makes your actions. Your brain controls these two hands. If you now go on a specific website and watch that shit, then your brain dead. It's all part of your brain. If you're a serious individual that wants to achieve financial freedom, then greetings. My name is Georgi. I'm a full-time entrepreneur. I do content creation, I do SMMA, and overall a lot of side businesses. Some people have a mindset to have 200 of these watches, to have thousands and thousands and millions upon millions of dollars in their bank accounts, to be feared, to be strong, to be kickboxers, to be one of a kind, people that can be changed, people that stay at the top forever, for generations to come. And some people have the mindset of being an ordinary Joe Schmo person. If you have that mindset as an entrepreneur that started at 12, I have to say, you aren't going to achieve much in life, but still, you can still change it. It's not too late. Work on your goals, achieve financial freedom, and then I'll personally come to you, shake your hand when we get into our Lambos and race throughout the cities. What do you think? What's my mindset? What has been motivated me for these years that have come and now the greatness that I have succeeded? I'll tell you. My brain. I know that this is the true path that my life is meant to have, and I'm chasing it and I'm achieving it slowly. My mindset is conquering the planet, conquering this world. Everything you see will be mine. Just wait a couple of more years. That should do it. Here are the best tips that I can give you today that are going to change your life. I'm going to talk about 3 tips today. It's about speed of the pace, dressing, and increasing your testosterone. When I say act slow but move fast, what do I mean by that? I mean, when you're doing business with people, you should always move slowly yet fastly. Don't go to the opener straight away, but don't struggle for time, because that person can't wait for you 30 minutes to get to your pitch. You need to be concise, but not too concise where you attract him away from you. You need to be smart, wise, and efficient with these strategies. When you talk slowly, people will think that you know the game, you know how these things go, how these things work, and how you can help them. When you move fast, you aren't going to get a single sale. I guarantee you that. But if you speak slowly and fast at the same time as I'm speaking to you in this video, then yeah, you have a high chance of me converting you to buy something that I offer. Aikido. The only time when you should really focus on speed in that conversation is when you get paid. If that person is saying, when can I pay? And now you're saying, you can pay in a week, it doesn't really matter. You're stupid then. But you need to have a system in place that when a person is asking for a payment, boom, here you go, buy, boom, 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 boom. At number 2, we have dressing. Dressing old can make you seem a bit older than you currently are and more wise. Let's say you're currently 15 or 16. When you dress like a 30-year-old man and act like a 30-year-old man, people will take you seriously. And people will analyze the fact that you are a grown adult and they should treat you with respect. Let's be honest. If a small kid, let's say 6-7 years old, comes up to you and says, oh, would you like to do a down payment of $60,000 for this apartment? Even if his pitch is perfect, straight across the line, you still won't do it because it's still a kid. It's not trustworthy. But let's say someone that's 15, 16, dressed up nicely, good, professional and everything else, contacts you, hires you, works, and you are going to pay him at the end. Why? He looks like a professional and he is a professional. 2 more things about dressing. Don't wear brands. When I say wear brands, things like this, okay, fine, do it. It's not a problem. But if you're out here dressing in Gucci, in Nikes, I don't know, in this, that, then you're brain dead. I will wear Nike when Nike offers me a $10 million contract. That's when I'm going to wear Nike. Or any other brand deal, in fact. Hit me up, I'm always available because I'm fast, efficient, I'll reply anytime. And at number 3, for the finale, we have increasing your testosterone. You need to increase your testosterone because testosterone is the hormone that's directly approachable with business. How? When you walk in a room, does everyone stare at you? If they do, that means you're scary. You act scary, your testosterone is big, and overall you look like that. So yeah, keep that in mind. Have a big testosterone. I'm going to tell you how to have a big testosterone right now. My number 1 tip for increasing your testosterone is drinking a glass of eggs a day. My goal is drinking about 4 raw eggs every single day. It doesn't really matter if it's in the morning, afternoon, or at night. You just need to consume 4 raw eggs. And if you ask me why raw eggs invoke the pure supplements that eggs have, and it will power your body and increase your testosterone like a steroid. A glass of raw eggs is like steroid. Do as you wish with that information. I'm just gonna tell you this. If you drink raw eggs for 3 months straight, by the end of the 3 months you'll be another person.